Hi there. To make a simple Telegram stickers we need just two things. First is to create an account on Lottie Files with email or sign up via Google, Facebook, Twitter or Dribbble. Once it's done, log in and go to Tools, Convert SVG to Lottie. Now we need to find a SVG file. Just simply open freesvg.org. All of these illustrations are totally free for any use. Let's find a boat. Here we go. This one should do. Download it. Now get back to Lottie Files and upload just downloaded image. Here it is. You can play with some animated presets to choose what will work for you better. Now we need to upload it for preview. Just simply click on Upload to Preview. Click on the created animation and click again on Edit Animation. You will jump straight into the editor. Here we can change dimensions for Telegram sticker. It should always be 512 x 512, frame rate 30 or 60 only. Duration no longer than 3 seconds. Click Update to save your changes. You can play with speed. As you can see, our boat has only 2 colors, but when you upload your picture there might be more layers and colors. You can change it. Let's do this. Here we go, different colors. If you are happy with the result, just click on Telegram Sticker Export and download your sticker. What is left? Just need to drop it to Telegram or create your own pack. You will need to add the official bot. You can create your own animated pack or add a sticker to an existing pack if you already created it earlier. Choose a pack that you want to add your sticker. Drop your sticker. Choose emoji and that's it. It's done.